Every month you wait, you are literally losing money. Not by maybe, not someday, right now. Think about it. 1 month passes. That's income you didn't earn. 2 months. That's money someone else made because they took action and you didn't. A year? That's 12 months of missed opportunities. And the crazy part, most people are not stuck because they don't have opportunities. They're stuck because they're waiting for the perfect time. Let me tell you something. There's no perfect time. There's only time and what you choose to do with it. Bills don't wait. Inflation doesn't wait. Your dreams definitely don't wait. So why are you? Why are you? The people who win, they start before they feel ready. They take action while others are still thinking about it. So here's the question. Next month, are you going to be in the same place? Or are you finally going to start creating another stream of income? Because every month you wait is a month you'll never get paid for. Put a yes in my comments if you want to know what I am doing.